Tapos Aisha, kumbaga, nabanggit mo kaninang you are very open na you are happy with your love life ngayon. Kamusta? How is it going? Kumbaga, I mean, medyo matagal-tagal na rin kayo, parang gano'n. Kamusta being together? I mean, happy talaga. Even
No, I'm happy. Oh, happy is an understatement. I can say that siguro I will not feel this complete if it weren't for her. Kumbaga, kaya nga, di ba? Things can go right in every aspect of your life, but if that part is lacking, wala eh. But since she's there, parang it's just, it completes the whole thing. It completes everything. It completes the experience.
Tapos ano na lang yung abangan sa inyong dalawa ni Charis dito sa concert? Kumbaga you have different music.
Ewan ko, ako rin, aabangan ko rin yun eh. Sa totoo lang.
Kumbaga ano yung
ako,
abangan ng tao?
Kung ano yung abangan nyo, aabangan ko rin yun. Hindi ko rin alam kung ano mangyayari pa eh. Alam mo yun, hindi pa naman kami nakakapag-rehearse din. So, kung ano abangan nyo, let's see. Eh, malamang yun na inaabangan ko.
Tapos, sige go.
Going back into your love life, how do you maintain parang low profile yung relationship?
By not talking about it. Yeah, by not talking about it. Kumbaga, I'm not the type naman na magtatago or ganyan. Kumbaga, ayokong nagkakaroon ako ng limitasyon sa kalayaan ko to do whatever. But, I don't want to talk about it also. Kumbaga, para sa akin, what I do, what we do together is our time. You know, is our personal thing. Na I don't think I need to share naman ito pa.
Tapos talking about yung teleserye, yung Be Careful, kumbaga patindi na ng patindi, no? Nag-propose na and then getting married. Tapos ikaw yata kung maghahatid ka, ano? May mga ganun ba? May mga ganun bang klaseng aabangan din sa teleserye?
Yeah, definitely. Totoo lang, kumbaga, they're wondrously parang making new parang twists and turns and everything. So, kahit kami mismo nagugulat. Yes, kasi ano kami, hand to mouth kami. So, hindi kami yung band na meron kami 2 weeks na wala kami, lahat, yung mga shoot namin kahapon, pinalabas kanina. Ganun kabilis.
Okay.
Yes, so, ayun, kaya nga sabi ko,
Puyat ka pa ngayon.
Hindi pa ako natutulog kasi I got home like almost 7 in the morning na.
Tapos last Aisha, nakikita mo rin yung success ng kaparts mo, si Tom.
Alam mo, sobrang...
Grabe yung success nung kabila dun sa...
Sobrang happy ako.
Ano masasabi mo dun sa success mo?
I love Tom so much and I'm really, really, really happy for him na he deserves this, not just because he's an amazing actor, but he's a good person. He has a good heart. He has one of the biggest hearts na kilala ko sa industriya. And, alam mo yun, he's very talented and alam mo yun, parang happy ako that finally someone with real talent is, alam mo yun, ngayon napapansin. Because he doesn't just act, he can sing very well. He does theater, he's a good painter, alam, he's all around. So parang happy ako na someone na nasa estado na ganun kagaling, finally nakita ng tao, finally alam nila, oh my God, ito pala, may ganito pala tayo. So ako, I have nothing but praises for him. Sobrang sarap na trabaho, you know, like, I mean, di ba nung ginawa namin yung Be Careful, sarap yung exchange namin. Talagang sobrang generous ng actor. Talagang it's an amazing experience.
Tapos last na Aisha, about Raisa, magkakasama na kayo in first time, right? Kamusta ka trabaho yung dating parang ikaw ngayon?
Nakakatuwa, sa totoo lang. Inaasar ko nga, sabi ko, wow, social niya yan, ha? Kasi nung nag-shoot kami, may entourage na siya. Then her mom, her PA, her handler, her stylist, her parang makeup artist. Ako, nung panahon ko natin, nanay ko, ha? Pero in-just lang naman, you know. Nakakatuwa because she's, you know, alam mo yung, hindi siya yung maangas na bata eh. And it's always, diba? It's always nice to see people na very down to earth, very humble, na umaangat. Diba? Lahat naman tayo natutuwa sa gano'n. And I'm very happy for her.
Tell us something about your role dun sa magiging...
Okay, ang role ko, it's a family, it's a family thing. Kumbaga, base-trained. Sobrang layo nito sa mga enteng. No, sobrang layo. And I'm very happy na kahit paano ngayon medyo gumanon kami. Kasi ngayon talaga, it talks about real family issues. Na parang talks about acceptance, it talks about kahit gano'n ka nasaktan, but you are family. You can't do anything but accept the hurt and just move on and try to be okay and try to mend the, diba, yung mga sakit na naramdaman ninyo. So, ganun yan eh. Ganun yung kwento.
Sorry about Riza lang ulit. Would you like parang take her as your protege if ever?
No, no. I mean, as much as I would want to, I would rather na, like ako, I wasn't anyone's protege naman. Kumbaga, may mga mentor ako in the sense na may mga gumabay sa akin. And siguro, diba, I'd be willing to do that. Pero I'd rather na just, you know, be in the silence and just look at her, you know, find her own path. Kasi I'd rather her be known as Riza than the next Aiza. Alam mo yan? Kasi siya mismo, may sariling poklat yung batang yun eh. So, and alam mo yun, and it's refreshing. So, alam mo yun, wag nating, hayaan natin siya to shine on her own.
Thank you, Aiza.